My name is Estevan Franco, and here's another short story. The title of it is Birthday Story. We have lived in this house for over 40 years, raised 3 kids, numerous dogs, cats, and a sea full of goldfish, and I still can't find that darn tie. Just breathe in and exhale slowly. No questions. She's just going to say it fell behind the shoes again. There it is, behind the shoes. She is always right. I don't know why it's her favorite tie. Maybe it's the yellow color and the small red paisleys that point in all different directions. She says it brings the color out in my eyes. That's got to be it. Drape, pull, cross, loop the white end, slide it under, another pull, and adjust. You can never go wrong with the old Windsor, perfect for any occasion. Birthday gift in my hands and time to go. Driving by the park, I always looked towards the gazebo where we first met. It was the community dance where I first saw the most beautiful girl standing next to the concrete bird bath. I asked her to dance and the rest is history. Of course, my version of how we met is not the way she says we met. According to her, it was a Sadie Hawkins dance and she asked me to dance. I do not remember the music, but I can still recall holding her soft hand in mine, her other hand slightly behind my right side and holding my shoulder. When we danced, I could feel her slightly tremble while my hand was at the small of her back. Her face was radiant even at night. Her green eyes held me captive, tugging at my soul, never to release me from her enchanting spell. I like her version better. I just don't like to admit she is right. She is always right. Getting out of the car, I bring the gift of flowers and place it on her grave. It's been 12 years since I last gazed into those green eyes. What you don't understand about birthdays, and what they never tell you, is that you only have so many to enjoy with the ones you love.